Go ahead.
You go first. I want to see what I'm working with. Go first.
No, you go first. I gotta beat you.
Annoying sounds.
An annoying sound.
What is up, guys? My name is Swifty. Today we're gonna be doing some epic PvP. Glorious! I think that's the most annoying sound I've ever heard. Your turn.
That's not an annoying sound. That's just trolling.
All right, here we go. Epic PvP. All right, here's my annoying sound. Turn down your headphones. I just peed my pants.
You just beat your pants and you slobbered on my knee.
I pushed too hard.
You peed your pants? Go clean it, girl. What
No,
the heck?
it started to come out. I got it. Okay. Go ahead. Go! Make it a sound. It's annoying. Go! It's your turn. Alright, press 1 for me.
My throat hurts.
1 for me, 2 for Swifty. Who had the most annoying sound?
Go ahead, do it again.
I can't recreate what I did. This noise sane mix when he